Chambers County, Anahuac traffic, Skyhawk 46 Golf, back taxi runway 30, Anahuac.
Hey, OJ.
Yes, sir.
There's room for both of us if we're back taxi, right?
Oh, yes, we can do that.
All right, good. Chambers County, Anahuac, Cessna 24 uniform, back taxi in 30.
I'll do my run-up in the run-up area, and you can do the run-up on the runway.
Okay.
Anahuac traffic, Skyhawk 46 Golf is departed runway 30 for a west departure. Anahuac.
Pretty airplane. Pretty airplane. Chambers County, Anahuac, Cessna 24 uniform, departing 30. Left turn and then depart to the west. Hey, you're not going to Tyler, are you?
No. I'm fixing to go west here right shortly.
Oh, okay. That was fun.
Yes, sir. Leveling out at 1500.
Oh, okay.
Navasota traffic, November 9040 kilo, approximately 10 to the east, inbound for 35. We're going to cross over midfield, enter left downwind, Navasota.
Airspeed's a little different going back, about 15 knots less.
Yeah, I'm doing about 89. 8990 according to my GPS.
Yeah, me too.
Switch your frequencies.
All right.
For traffic, Cessna 172 Gulf Hotel.
RWJ traffic, Skyhawk 46 Golf is 6 miles to the east, 1,500 inbound for landing. RWJ.
Report traffic, Cessna 172 Golf Hotel, turning left, crosswind runway 30. Report traffic.
RWJ traffic, Cessna 24 uniform, 2 mile final for runway 26, RWJ.
Report traffic 172 Golf Hotel, turning left, downwind, runway 30. Report traffic.
RWJ traffic, Forces Golf is number 2 for runway 26. RWJ.
Report traffic, Cessna 172 Golf Hotel, turning left base, runway 30. Report traffic.
RWJ traffic, Cessna 24 uniform, clear the runway. Don't get any better than that.
That was a fine short field lander you did, buddy. RWJ traffic, Forces Golf back taxi runway 26. RWJ.
Northeast, Saddle, abort.